Message work or KOS. If you start taking this game as a joke, I'm just gonna boot you out of the clan. I've had enough of it. Every game I go into, my clan playing shit. I've had enough of it. So if you don't start playing well, you're out, and that's the way to go in now. Message all friends, can anyone guest please? Because I want to know. I want to put a fake video of being Beastman. So help me out if you can. I'll host like all the time for you if you can. You can get off my account, you little fucking sweaty little gerbil. I'll catch you later, you little faggot, for telling Beastman. You're such a little faggot. The video's real, so suck my fucking dick, you little faggot.